Imagine this, you're driving and then suddenly, after a quick swerve, your car is, well, plunging into water. Panic sets in, your heart is racing, but honestly, in those critical moments, panic is your greatest enemy. Knowing what to do before it actually happens is your best chance at survival, so stay calm and act fast. The absolute golden rule of escaping a sinking car is to act immediately. Do not wait for the car to fully submerge. Every single second counts. As soon as you hit the water, your escape window really starts to shrink. The first 30 seconds are the most crucial. Your immediate priorities are twofold windows down, seatbelts off. Forget about the doors for now. Water pressure is going to make them just about impossible to open once the car is more than halfway submerged. Your power windows are honestly your best friend here. Get them down as quickly as possible. And hey, if you have a passenger, make sure they do the same. So, why are windows so critical? Because as the car sinks, its electrical system will inevitably fail. You have a very limited time, often less than a minute, before your power windows become totally useless. If your power windows fail, or if your car doesn't have them, you'll need a window breaker. You know, a window breaker is a small, inexpensive tool that could literally save your life. It's smart to keep one easily accessible in your car, maybe in the center console or even attached to your sun visor. When you need to use it, always aim for the corners of the side windows. Tempered glass shatters outward, giving you a way out, and don't try to break the windshield. It's built to be much stronger, so it won't work the same way. Once your windows are down or broken, the next thing to tackle is the seatbelt. For most people, just unbuckling is the fastest option. But you know, if you're in shock or if the belt mechanism is jammed, having a seatbelt cutter, which is often built right into a window breaker, can be a real lifesaver. If that's the case, just cut it. Don't waste time struggling. With the windows open and seatbelts off, it's time to escape. If you have kids in the car, try to push them out first, starting with the oldest. After that, you should exit head first through the open window. And hey, don't worry about swimming up right away. The car is still sinking, and that actually creates an upward current inside, which can help you make your way to the surface. So what if, despite your best efforts, the car does fully submerge before you can open the windows? This is where understanding water pressure becomes really important. As the car fills with water, the pressure inside will eventually equalize with the pressure outside. Once the car is completely filled, you can actually open the door. It takes some time for the car to completely fill, usually anywhere from 60 seconds to a few minutes depending on the car model and how much damage there is. During this time, try to take deep breaths. Once the car is completely filled with water, take one last deep breath, unbuckle if you haven't already, push open the door, and swim out. Once you're out of the car, orient yourself and swim towards the surface. Follow any light you see or just swim upwards. If heavy clothing or shoes are slowing you down, go ahead and discard them. Once you reach the surface, try to stay calm and signal for help. There are a lot of myths out there about escaping a car, but one of the most dangerous is the idea of kicking out the windshield. Don't do it. Windshields are laminated and incredibly strong, so you'll probably just hurt yourself and waste precious time and energy. Instead, focus on the side windows. Honestly, the best defense is preparation. Keep a window breaker and seatbelt cutter somewhere handy in your car. It's also a good idea to practice the steps mentally. And hey, share this knowledge with your loved ones. Understanding these critical actions can truly mean the difference between tragedy and survival. Let's quickly review the vital steps. First, stay calm. Second, windows down immediately. Third, seatbelt off. Fourth, escape through the window. Fifth, if submerged, wait for pressure equalization, then open the door. And sixth, swim to safety. Your life is precious. Be prepared, be safe. Share this video and spread this life-saving information.